London, a name that echoes with history, culture, and a certain undeniable charm. A city that stands as a testament to time, blending the old with the new in a seamless dance. It's a city that has captured hearts and minds for centuries, a global hub teeming with iconic landmarks and a vibrant energy that's palpable from the moment you arrive. From the majestic Tower Bridge to the bustling Piccadilly Circus, every corner tells a story. But beyond the well-trodden tourist trails, beyond the bustling crowds and familiar sights, lies a different London. A London that many overlook, yet holds the essence of the city's true spirit. This is a London of hidden alleyways and secret gardens, of whispered stories and unexpected discoveries. Places where time seems to stand still, and the past and present coexist in harmony. This is the London we're here to explore, a city that reveals its true character to those willing to venture beyond the surface, a city that rewards the curious and the adventurous. For in its hidden corners and quiet squares, London offers a glimpse into its soul. These are the places where the city's heartbeat can be felt most strongly. It whispers tales of its rich past, of kings and queens, of artists and revolutionaries, stories that have shaped the very fabric of this remarkable city. It invites you to step off the beaten path and discover a side of the city that few get to experience, a side that is both enchanting and enlightening. So, put on your most comfortable walking shoes, grab your trusty umbrella, for you never know with London's weather, and join us as we delve into the heart of this captivating city. Together, we will uncover the layers of history and mystery that make London truly unique. Prepare to be surprised, enchanted, and utterly captivated by the secrets that await. London is ready to reveal itself to those who seek its hidden treasures. While the allure of Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London is undeniable, our journey begins by stepping away from the well-worn path, seeking the lesser-known treasures of this historic city. We seek the whispers of history and the echoes of a London less explored, where every corner tells a story. Tucked away in Holland Park, a tranquil oasis awaits, the Kyoto Garden, a hidden gem that many visitors overlook. This serene Japanese garden, a gift from Kyoto, transports you to a world of Zen-like tranquility, far removed from the city's hustle and bustle. Stroll among meticulously manicured bonsai trees, each one a testament to the art of patience and precision. Listen to the gentle trickle of water features, a soothing soundtrack to your peaceful retreat, and find a moment of peace amidst the urban bustle, a rare and precious escape. Venture further afield to the verdant expanse of St. James's Park, a green haven in the heart of the city. Here, amidst the resident pelicans and picturesque landscapes, nature and history intertwine beautifully. You'll find yourself walking in the footsteps of royalty, surrounded by centuries of tradition. Take a moment to appreciate the park's connection to Buckingham Palace, a tangible link to the heart of British monarchy and a symbol of enduring heritage. And for a truly unique experience, descend into the depths of London's past at the Roman bathhouse off the Strand, a hidden historical treasure. This subterranean gem offers a glimpse into the city's ancient origins, a fascinating journey back in time, a reminder of the layers of history that lie beneath the modern facade waiting to be discovered by the curious traveller. Travelling to London can be a delightful and enriching experience, but it's always good to be well prepared. First, consider investing in an Oyster card for your travels. It's a smart and efficient way to navigate the city's extensive public transport system. And don't forget, London weather can be quite unpredictable, often changing rapidly, so packing an umbrella or a raincoat is always a good idea to stay dry. Also, when dining out, remember that tipping is generally around 10 to 15% of the bill, unless a service charge is already included in the total. Lastly, always keep your valuables secure and close to you, and be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas, to avoid pickpockets. These simple yet effective tips can make your London adventure much smoother and more enjoyable. London is a city that never ceases to amaze. From its rich history to its vibrant culture, there's always something new to discover. Take a leisurely stroll along the Thames, visit the iconic landmarks, and immerse yourself in the local neighbourhoods. The city's charm lies in its diversity and the unique experiences it offers. Whether you're exploring the bustling markets or enjoying a quiet moment in one of the many beautiful parks, London invites you to embrace its allure and create memories that will last a lifetime.